But I started my undergraduate journey 5 years ago in this university. The sustainability was still quite a new term. I mean, the UN SDGs were only in operation for 2 years at that stage. Fast forward 5 years and it's a different conversation entirely. Students are not only interested, but they demand the university and any association that they have with it to be accountable, to not only do the bare minimum, but to be leaders, because ultimately that's what the university's role is. It's to craft these leaders of society, that when they leave the doors or when they leave the white gates here at UL upon graduation, that we've equipped them with the skills, the knowledge and the understanding that they can be pragmatic change makers in their own regard.
Part of what we do in Rediscover Fashion is we try to educate and encourage people towards different relationship with their clothing and their textiles. And today I was giving a textile repair demonstration to the students of UL University. It was just basic repair techniques, so how to patch a hole and how to do some darning as well. The techniques that I'm teaching are things that you can do by hand with a needle and thread. So, there's no huge amount of skill learning in it, and it is very possible for people to do it from being at the workshop. So hopefully I have inspired some students to take this on. They certainly seemed really engaged, which was really nice.
Sustainability is at the heart of everything UL strives to become. And so this particular initiative is focused on waste, which is really important. If you look at the European management framework, the first thing it says you do is avoid waste. And by repairing existing clothes, you're giving them a new life. You're saying, no, they don't need to go in the bin just yet.